Good morning, guys. It's once again a beautiful day here on the Northern Rivers, and so I thought it was the perfect time to film my next part of my Northern Rivers series. Now this part is going to focus on the two little towns of Alstonville and Wollongbar. Now Alstonville and Wollongbar are very close to my heart because they are my true hometowns, if you would say. Like, I refer to Lismore as my hometown, but that is actually the regional centre of the area in which I live. But I actually grew up in Alstonville until I was 8 years old, and then when I was 8 we moved to Wollongbar, and I've lived there ever since, apart from some little stints in Sydney and Lismore. And so Alstonville and Wollongbar are actually my hometowns. Now, they are separate villages, but they are so close together. I think there's a maximum of about 3 kilometres between the two. And everyone kind of thinks of them as kind of a dual entity. Like, they are different towns, but they're thought of in the same vein. And they're very beautiful. They're quiet, sleepy kind of towns with a really chilled vibe. Like, my boyfriend actually describes the streets like Ramsay Street on Neighbours, like that kind of suburban thing. They do look a lot like Ramsay Street, I'll admit it. I was trying to figure out what I could show you about Alstonville and Wollongbar that would make an interesting video as well, and the thing that came to mind when I thought about what I love most about Alstonville and Wollongbar was the waterfalls. There are quite a few waterfalls around the towns that are very beautiful, and so I thought I would show you that. I'm not going to tell you what they're called or where to find them because they're kind of local secrets, and also you're not meant to really go to them because some of them are quite dangerous. So I'm not going to tell you where they are, but I'm going to show you the beauty of this area. And I think it's the perfect day for me to do this, really, because you know when you're feeling down and there's a couple of things that always make you feel a bit better? Well, for me, that's yoga, meditation, candles, and waterfalls. And to be honest, I'm having a bit of a crap weekend, and so a bit of meditative time at some soul-soothing waterfalls might do the trick this weekend. Okay, let's check them out. I promise I'm not jumping or swimming. I just want to take photos and video. Please don't get me in trouble. Climbing down to these waterfalls is quite the effort, especially in a long skirt. I should not have worn this. I'm super bummed. I just went to go to this waterfall that I used to go to all the time when I was a young teenager. Like, it was super close to my high school, so we used to go there after school, on the weekends, on teacher strike days. I've got so many good memories of that place, and now it is all fenced off. Like, I haven't been there for years, but it is all fenced off and you can't even get in there anymore. So I guess I can tell you the name of it now. It was Waterfalls, and damn, I know so many people from Alstonville who have so many good memories of that place, and no, guys, you can't get there anymore. Sorry. My heart's broken. Oh, that's so sad. On to the next one, I guess. Okay, after having been to those two beautiful waterfalls and trying to go to a third, I'm now back home, but I'm not done yet. I'm now going to take you to what I kind of refer to as my little chill out spot. It's a little creek and waterfall that's only about 100 meters from my house, and from when I moved in at this house when I was 8, if I was ever feeling upset or angry or whatever, I would always go down there and chill out. And so it's my kind of secret little chill out spot, and it's a very special spot to me, but I'm going to take you there and I'm going to show you it. If you know where this place is, do not tell anyone. It's my spot. Don't tell anyone.